With just one day left for closure of the filing of nominations in Meghalaya, the exercise gained momentum today. BJP candidate from Pinthor Umkhra constituency and former Minister Elhek was first to file his papers today. He was followed by two other party nominees of the state, BJP President Ernest Mauri and Cabinet Minister Sanbor Shulai. Union Science and Technology Minister Jitendra Singh accompanied the trio during the filing of nominations. Earlier, Meghalaya TMC leader and North constituency candidate Charles Pingru filed his nomination. Accompanied by supporters, UDP candidate Jemino Mautho filed his nominations. Others who filed their nominations and spoke to media were former UDP Chief Advisor Bindo M. Lanong, who is contesting as an independent from Nongkrem constituency, PDF President Bantedor Lingdor, Trasicius Maulat, an independent candidate for Maulai, who is seeking vote in the name of God, not in the name of religion, Starfing, who is contesting from HS.